Hi guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with an update on my Man's Pan Project Pan. This actually was supposed to end on August 14th, but I think I'm just gonna extend it through the year because it's kind of like a 10 pan that I've been enjoying. So I thought let's just extend it and roll some items in so it's an official 10 pan, because last time I updated I did finish up 2 items or hit my goal on them. So I do have a few new items here that I want to pull into the project, and I'm just gonna update you guys on how I've done so far on the others. Okay, so let's start with the fragrances. The first one is the Britney Spears Midnight Fantasy. This is just like a 1 ounce bottle. I've used it 1 time since the last update, not a lot you guys, but I do really like this and I kind of like to use it sparingly. So once I hit my 30 uses, it will be rolling out. I have it so far at, let's see, 30 uses. Wait, what? 25 uses. I was like 30 uses. No, I just need 5 more uses and this guy will be rolling out. The next one is the Fancy by Jessica Simpson. This is, I believe, a 3.4 fluid ounce, and I didn't use it at all since the last update, so it's still here. And I have it at, I should have this over here. I've used it 10 times so far, so I still need 20 more uses to hit my goal of 30. The next item is the Love You First Matte Liquid Lipstick in mauve, and it looks like this. I have used it a few times, but the packaging is really opaque, so it's really hard to tell, you know, if it's moved at all. In August, actually, I have it marked at 2 times. I might have used it a couple more times and not marked it, but I'm gonna continue to use it until it's gone. That's my goal on that one. And then I have the ColourPop Glossy Lip Stain, and this is in Tinkerbell. My goal is 30 uses. Right now I am at, let's see, I think I'm at 12 uses on this. I did use it recently, and you know what? I'm gonna mark it one more time at 13. I last time had the mark here, sorry, right there, and I think it's just below it, like about right here. You can't really tell on this side, but like if you look over here, you can see there's like a windowing there. So you know, it's gone down a little bit, and I think I have a goal on this one. Let's see, this one is, yeah, this is a 30 use goal. Actually, no, it hasn't been 12 times. I'm sorry, I have a whole bunch of marks here. It's just because when I do tally marks, like for the month, like if it's January and I only have 4, then I'll go to February, and then I don't do the crossover, you know, the diagonal for the 5th use, so it's hard to count them. And like just by look, you know, I can't glance at it real quick and look at it because I'm not doing it with the diagonal, the 5th diagonal. So I have 5, 10, 13, 16, 17 uses on this so far. I want to say it's 8, not 16. It should be, I think I have 18 uses on this right now. So there we go. And then next I have the ColourPop Tinkerbell Darling Super Shock in Darling. So that one is the blush cheek. I was wondering what the C stand for. Here it is. I do have it on my cheeks today. You guys could kind of see it. I did set my face, so you know the powder goes over a little bit, but I have a dip going on. I've used it quite a bit of times. I don't mark it like every time, but so far for August, it's 5 times. I haven't marked it for today's usage yet. So 5 times. And total usage right now, I'm about, let's see, 10, 15, 20, I don't know, about 22 uses on this guy. Okay, next I have the Happy Thoughts, and that's the Tinkerbell Super Shock Shadow in Happy Thoughts. I already said Happy Thoughts. Here's the highlighter. I do have this on my cheeks again today too. And there's a nice little bit of usage going on, and it's on my cheeks right now. I'm starting to split it between the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. So yeah, it may take a little bit longer to hit pan on the highlighter than the blush. And then I have the Tinkerbell Lost Girl Cream Gel Liner. It looks like this. And I liked it a lot, and then now that's in this project, I'm not really reaching for it that much. And I don't have a mark on this, on my paper for this. So like looking from the bottom of my palm to there, it's, you know, to the middle line of my middle finger. Maybe that's, do that next time too, but I'll mark it today as well, so that way we could compare. And then I'm gonna roll in 3 items because that's only 7, and I want this to be like a 10 pan. So the 3 items I'm rolling in, let's see, I'm gonna start out with this Super Shock eyeshadows. My husband bought me like the whole Tinkerbell set, so that's why there's a lot of Tinkerbell. This is Tinkerbell Never Grow Up. And it was in a project before, that's why the little tape's on there. But mine is drying up. You can see a little crack right there. I would like to hit pan on this. Let me give you guys a swatch. It looks like this. And on my hand, it looks like that. And then the other Super Shock shadow that came with this set is Fly to Your Heart, and it was also in a project before, and it's also starting to dry up, you guys. It's feeling kind of dry, so I would like to hit pan on this one too before it goes completely bad and I have to get rid of it, but there it is. And then last but not least, I have the eyeshadow palette. I would like to get No Pan Left Behind on this, and it already is in my No Pan Left Behind project pan. So I think I'm gonna start over on it. So if I have used it at all, which I don't know, I'd have to look at that, but I would like to, you know, just use it again. So instead of No Pan Left Behind once, let's do it twice in my No Pan Left Behind project pan, and also in this project pan, so that way, you know, I get some good use out of it. And yeah, I love Tinkerbell, you guys. I'm kind of like not cleaning off my fingers, so these might not come out true to color, but it's a quick swatch of them. And they are very pretty. It's a pretty color story. I love green. I love anything that like resembles nature. But anyway, there is my update, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And I think for now on, it's still my Man's Pan, project pan, but I'm also gonna write 10 pan in the description or in the title. So maybe my thumbnail will have my Man's Pan, but then the thumbnail will be 10 pan. I don't know, you guys. If you have any ideas, let me know. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help my channel grow. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.